Welcome back to Chris Can't Cook. Tonight we're going to be making linguine and clams with a twist. We sure are. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe so we can bring you some more educational videos and some more creative cooking videos. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. I love me a classic linguine and clams, but today we're putting a twist on it. Chop our ginger. Smash that garlic just like the like button. It's going to be quick and easy. Just a little bit of knife work to do. There you have it, parsley, cilantro, and basil. This is called chiffonade, so you're just gonna chiffonade that up. Stems and all is fine. Now it's time to chiffonade our basil. Same thing as doing the parsley and cilantro, leave it right on the stem. Stems are edible, makes it a lot easier to handle. Nice and fine. Makes it so much easier to handle the basil than picking it. And if you got a little bit of stem in there, who cares? It's delicious. That's how you chiffonade basil, baby. First, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna start with adding our ginger, probably 2 really good, let's make it 3 heaping spoons of ginger, garlic, 2, those 5 cloves. Doesn't have to be real high heat. Just kind of want to just sweat it. We don't want any color in this dish, really. You just want the bright flavors. So we're not gonna cook this hard. We're gonna cook it real soft. Now we're gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of our togarashi, fresh cracked black pepper. Say that 3 times fast, it's a tongue twister. Here we go, now starts the fun. Here comes the action. We're gonna add a little bit of white wine, actually a good amount of white wine. So this can come up to a boil. We're gonna reduce it by about half, just to cook out the alcohol. Now we're gonna hit it with a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of fish sauce. Now we're gonna add our clams.
Oh yeah.
These clams are from a can. This video is not sponsored. However, these are the best clams. Bar Harbor chopped clams from Maine. Now we're gonna add our pasta. Give it a stir so it doesn't all stick together. You want your pasta nice and al dente because we're gonna cook it more in the sauce. So just cook it about 7 minutes, 6-7 minutes, and then finish it in the sauce. It's time to add some lemon zest, lime zest, lime juice, lemon juice. Try not to get the seeds. If you get a seed in there, whoever eats it wins. All right, now it's time to check if our pasta's done. I know it's hot, don't be a sissy. Yep, that's perfectly cooked. Very al dente, that's where we want to be. All right, now you want to be sure and save a bunch of that pasta water to help finish your sauce. Get like a pint. You think the cup's gonna be enough? It probably isn't. Make sure you get a bunch. Now that we got our clams in there and all that, and it's reduced down to a nice consistency, you see that? It's not real thick, but it's not real thin. About perfect, because we're gonna add our butter now, and that's gonna make it nice and thick. You need a good amount of butter in there to thicken that sauce. Now it's time to drain the pasta. Don't trip over the dog. Now that we got our butter in there and swirl it around and thicken it up like that, it's time to start to add back our pasta. It smells so freaking good. Telling you, baby, smell-o-vision. I'm gonna invent it, make me some money. All right, see it's getting nice and thick. We're gonna add just a little bit more of that cooking liquid. Now it's time to add our herbs. Parsley, now with cilantro. And last but not least, basil, fresh out of the garden. Starting to get thick again. This is gonna be perfect timing, I tell you what. All right, here we go. Moment of truth, baby. Time to plate it up and eat. This looks absolutely perfect. Let's pour a little bit of that sauce right on top. Faux show. Then you gotta finish it off with some of them herbs. Cilantro, parsley, basil. A little bit more togarashi on top. Parmesan cheese. Umami, baby. You know what this noodle right here reminds me of? The 101 Dalmatians. Maybe it could turn into sexy time for you. Oh yeah, baby. Dang, that's good linguine and clams, baby. Good luck to you tonight. Whether you're a boy or a girl, it don't matter. Sexy time's on your way.